Prepare for an exciting occasion as Samsung is set to reveal its newest flagship products at the much-anticipated Unpacked event in Korea. The much-anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5 are two of the highlights. Keep an eye out for groundbreaking features and cutting-edge technology that will revolutionize your smartphone experience. The Galaxy Z Fold 5's International/Global Edition has just started to show up on the Geekbench website, suggesting that Samsung is finally testing the device thoroughly. 3 months after the Galaxy Z Fold 5's debut sighting in the USA edition, the much-awaited benchmark for the worldwide model has finally come. The international community of tech aficionados is just becoming more enthused and curious as a result of this delay. The worldwide variation's single-core performance score is inferior to that of the US variant. The most recent benchmark indicates that Android 13 will be pre-installed on the Galaxy Z Fold 5, which is not unexpected given Samsung's habit of launching its new foldable handsets ahead of schedule. With this cutting-edge upgrade, you can stay on top of trends and experience technology as it develops. Although there could be some features introduced for Samsung's non-folding smartphones, history indicates that these additions may not be all that fascinating. According to Samsung's current software strategy, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be eligible for up to 4 significant Android OS upgrades and will get 5 years' worth of security updates. By extending their policy to include 5 important Android OS upgrades for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Samsung has the opportunity to pleasantly surprise us. Your guess is as good as ours when it comes to guessing the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's successor. Samsung's prior foldables have all maintained comparable price points based on historical patterns. If that remains true, the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cutting-edge technology and innovation will cost you at least $1,800. You may lower the price with trade-in values and carrier discounts, but you'll still have to fork out a sizable chunk of cash for this cutting-edge technology. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.